Hey guys, so you're finally driving around the neighborhood looking for the houses to generate leads. So let me get right down to it. These are the triggers that will help you pinpoint abandoned properties. So first one is you come across a house that is overgrown grass. So if somebody is not taking care of their lawn for a while, there's like weed in there. That's a good one that you want to write down the address for. The second one is you come across a house that has old paint. If the neighborhood has decent paint job around the house and you come across one that is like beat up paint, so somebody is not taking care of the house or could very well be abandoned. So there's another one. Third one is you come across a house and you see yellow or white as signs posted on the door. These are code violations, so that's a good one. It could be very well that people are not living there and they're violating the laws of the society, the neighborhood. So that's a good one to write down. And next one is you come across a house, broken windows. You see broken windows. Somebody's not having their window glass fixed is a clear indication that they might not be in the house, or they're not taking care, or they're not financially stable. So that's a lead right there. You come across a house and you find moving or a lot of trash stuff out on the lawn in front, so that's a good one. Then you also come across a house that might having a garage sale or a yard sale. So you want to stop by and you want to check out what are they selling. That could help you pinpoint if they're moving out of town or out of city. And you might talk to the owner of that yard sale house. So you can give them your business card. They might know somebody in the neighborhood that might want to sell, so they can refer you a lead in future. Another one you come across, you might find FSBO for sale by owner house signs on the yard. If you want to stop by, there's an owner right there. He wants to sell the house, so you want to definitely stop by and check it out and talk to them and give them an offer after doing your due diligence. If you come across a house that has an abandoned or distressed car or vehicle sitting out with a flat tire, collecting dust, that's a good one that you want to write down. And then you come across a house, they're like a phone books, they are sitting there and nobody has collected them, so that could be another one. Mailing, their mailbox have mailing spitting out. Seems like nobody has collected the mail for a while. That could be a clear indication that house is abandoned or nobody's living there.